Hi there. Here are 3 important things to know about building backlinks. 1. Focus on quality content. With recent algorithm changes, Google places high value on backlinks that come from quality content. This makes guest posts an essential way to build strong backlinks to your site. 2. Avoid automated tools. Steer clear of any tools or software that automatically generate links. Google is very strict about this and can penalize or even ban websites that use these methods. 3. Beware of low-quality links. Links from blog comments, forum profiles, or any sources without real content can actually harm your site's ranking. It's better to avoid them entirely. If you're looking for top-quality backlinks that will help your site rank naturally and in line with Google's guidelines, click the link in the description. I've been using Fiverr for 14 years and have hand-picked 3 top-rated freelancers with excellent client reviews. I also use their services. Click the link below.